Now you can see the main wheel well red door unsafe light, which is in all the doors. So do not enter the main landing gear area when the red door unsafe light is on. Unpress the hydraulic system and then install the door safety pins. And this is the door safety module where you are installing the door safety pins. So let's see how we are installing, where we are installing. This is, you can see here the door lock opening actuator, right? And here you can see with the streamer the safety lock pin with the streamer. Okay, so we have to install on each landing gear and also on the nose landing gear forward doors which are hydraulic.